Natural ways to kill fleas on dogs. Are fleas making your dog uncomfortable? If you're looking for natural ways to get rid of these pesky parasites, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best natural remedies to kill fleas on dogs safely and effectively without using harmful chemicals. Let's dive in. 1. Apple cider vinegar spray. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful natural flea repellent. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your dog's coat, avoiding the eyes and open wounds. This helps repel fleas and soothe irritated skin. 2. Coconut oil massage. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which kills fleas on contact. Simply rub a small amount of coconut oil between your hands and massage it into your dog's coat. Not only does it kill fleas, but it also improves skin health and gives a shiny coat. 3. Lemon spray. Lemons contain natural flea-repelling properties. Boil a sliced lemon in water, let it cool, and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Lightly mist your dog's coat to repel fleas naturally. This method also helps in keeping your dog's fur smelling fresh. 4. Diatomaceous earth, food grade only. Diatomaceous earth is a fine powder made from fossilized algae that dehydrates and kills fleas upon contact. Sprinkle a small amount onto your dog's coat and rub it in, but be cautious not to inhale it. You can also sprinkle it around your home and yard for extra flea control. 5. Neem oil treatment. Neem oil is a natural insect repellent and can help kill fleas effectively. Mix a few drops of neem oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into your dog's fur. You can also add neem oil to your dog's shampoo for a flea-fighting bath. 6. Baking soda and salt treatment. A mixture of baking soda and salt can help eliminate fleas from your dog's bedding and home. Sprinkle the mixture on carpets, let it sit for a few hours, and vacuum thoroughly. This dries out flea eggs and larvae, preventing infestations. 7. Herbal flea collar. You can make a natural flea collar by soaking a bandana in a mixture of water, lavender oil, and cedarwood oil. Let it dry and tie it around your dog's neck for a safe and chemical-free flea-repelling solution. 8. Regular grooming and bathing. A simple way to get rid of fleas is by giving your dog regular baths using a natural flea-repellent shampoo. Use a flea comb to remove fleas and their eggs. Grooming your dog frequently keeps fleas at bay and helps maintain a healthy coat. 9. Maintain a clean home and yard. Vacuum your home frequently, wash your dog's bedding, and keep your yard tidy. Fleas thrive in damp and dirty environments, so keeping your home clean can prevent infestations. Conclusion: using these natural remedies, you can effectively kill fleas and keep your dog happy and healthy. Remember to combine these methods for the best results. If your dog has a severe flea infestation, consult your vet for additional treatment options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural pet care tips. Let us know in the comments which remedy worked best for your furry friend. See you in the next video.